He is representing Burkina Faso.
From Burkina Faso comes a prince of unmatched overhead pressing that seems inhuman. With multiple world records, he easily has the strongest shoulders in the world. He's in a league entirely of his own. And on top of that, we've heard rumors that Iron Biby may have some of the strongest hands on the planet. So let's put that to the test, shall we?
So right now we are at Kava. This is sort of like a fast food restaurant, but this is where I like to come to get good big meals and protein. And I love Mediterranean food.
Nice.
We got the bracelet.
How many times you eat a day?
A day I'll probably eat 5 times a day. But
Like meals like that big?
No, only one meal like this.
Okay.
The other meals are smaller.
Okay. I used to eat a lot, but it's weird. Like now I don't eat a lot. Yeah, when I was in the 20s, yes, but over 30. I'm eating less. I don't know why.
Wow. And you can maintain your size. That's amazing.
Yeah.
I have to work so hard.
Exactly, yeah.
I don't know if you're okay talking about this, but I've heard rumors that you're completely natural.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yeah. You know where I live, like in Burkina Faso, you cannot even get that there.
Yeah.
And some people even using protein, they be like, oh, he's taking drugs.
Wow.
They think protein is like...
They're so funny, man.
Yes. So
when did you first discover that you are gifted with strength?
when I started doing powerlifting.
And how old were you when you started powerlifting?
It was back in 2012, so I was 22 years old. You know, my first bench press was over 225 pounds. Like first time benching.
First time?
First time.
What do you mean the first time?
First time benching.
225?
Yeah. First time benching.
Kilo or pounds?
Pounds.
Pounds, okay.
Yeah,
okay.
not kilogram, no way.
No way.
Yeah, I just love it. I love being strong. I love enjoying it. Like I said, to me, when I started lifting, it was to lose weight. Yeah, I did suffer a lot in school because of that, because I was always the biggest in my classroom.
Yeah.
And everyone make fun of me. And sometimes I just want to go home. I don't even want to listen to the teacher. I just want to go.
Was this in Canada or?
It was back home in Africa.
Oh.
Yeah.
When did you decide that, okay, I'm not going to lose any more weight, I'm going to get strong?
When I won my first powerlifting competition.
Yeah. Then you just said, this is me.
This is me. Back then I didn't know, like, I didn't know strongman. I was just doing powerlifting, just like, I'm strong. And I was playing football at the same time.
Yeah.
I was in university. You know, it's like a newborn person.
Yeah.
You start loving yourself, you know?
Yeah.
It's good when you love yourself. It's very good.
Very
feeling.
good.
Yeah. Because nobody wants, like, usually people don't want you to love yourself, you know? When you love yourself, you can take better decisions.
Yeah, speaking of loving yourself, what do you do for fun? What does Iron Biby's life look like outside of strength?
Outside of strength, I love music. Yeah. Let's say, bands, music, and I love the acoustic.
Oh.
Slow music. You know, there is some restaurant they do live.
Yeah.
That's I love it.
Yeah.
I wish I was a singer. Yeah. It
You
make me
could
calm.
be.
Yeah, it make me calm, and I really love music. Yeah, I think that's the best thing for me to do.
That's awesome.
Yeah, music.
When you decided to stay strong and big, go into strongman, how did your family feel? Did they accept this? Did they encourage you?
Yeah, my father, when he was younger, he used to have some figures of strongmen. He didn't know. Yeah, he didn't know one of his son will be a strongman one day.
Wow.
Yeah, so when I started, he said, bring me the diploma first, and then you can do whatever you want. I said, okay, no problem. I did bring him his diploma, and I said, I will bring you more trophies. Yeah. So yeah, he always support me.
This is beautiful.
Always, until the last day of his life.
Wow.
He was there. And one thing, all the trophy I got, they never slept with me.
Yeah.
As soon as I get home, I go give him the trophy.
Oh.
Yeah. So even now, all my trophies are in his grave.
Yeah.
All my trophies, yeah. As soon as I get home, I go put the trophy and get ready for another one.
That's beautiful.
Yes,
man.
he's been there for me, always supportive. My mother is too bad, she's scared. Yeah, she never watched my
My
competition.
grandma is the same.
She
could
never watched. She said good luck, and then she asked for people what's happened.
Yeah.
She asked to people. So yeah.
My grandma always says, "You guys are struggling so much. You're struggling in pain."
Yeah.
She's so worried. That is amazing.
Our week with Iron Biby started with some incredible lifts at Wreck-It Gym. Right off the bat, without having ever attempted anything like this before, our man nearly beat Alex the Tank's world record rolling thunder grip pull. He was on a roll, pun intended, and built up to an elite weight on the double overhand axle grip deadlift that only a few in the world have ever been able to touch. That, along with a surprise visit to Arnold Schwarzenegger's, aka the Governor's office, it was an epic week in and of itself. But the most exciting part was still ahead of us. We made a trip to the training hall to lift with my longtime strength mentor, legendary Vice Grip Viking, Odd Haugen, where some truly miraculous lifts were made that even four-time world's strongest man, Brian Shaw, couldn't budge.
So how did you come to the nickname of Biby?
Okay, it's my nickname since I was a baby. So I think I wasn't conscious when. I just grew up knowing
Your whole life, yeah.
Exactly. They called me Biby. So, and when I started lifting, I had the iron.
That's so good.
My real name is Cheick Sanu, Cheick, and the last name is Sanu.
We definitely tried the axle with the wheels because I need somebody else to lift it. That's those are the wagon wheels, and you put an axle that you made actually, and it's kind of off balance. Makes it probably a little easier for ones with big hands, but not for most people, not any difference.
It was balanced when I made it. They made it off balance. It was so bad. I welded this together. I also made this bowl. I made this chalk bowl.
Yeah, you did that. That
was like the best thing I made.
Yeah. Look at this. Look at this. It's supposed to be in the middle.
But you said it was okay for me to do that.
All right, it's good. And now I'm having some novelty Saxon barter.
We're checking out, this guy saw our lift. Like that?
No, he would not have gotten that. That's not a good lift. Then you had to come up and all the way up.
Okay, got it.
But I mean, he's strong as shit.
He's strong,
He could do it, I think, yeah. So we just saw Sim Johnson. He saw our videos with Iron Biby doing the Rolling Thunder. Then he went and got one and tried it out, and he got up to 134, but didn't quite get the full lockout. He controlled it down, but according to Odd, he would need to come up a little higher.
This is the handle. Grip Genie, or John McCall, with his piece. And today we're going to lift over 100 kilo on it, and that's hardly ever been done. I don't know if ever been done actually, but I think Iron Biby can probably do that.
What makes it difficult?
It rolls so smoothly, and you can't jam it like you can on the. You can't cheat on it at all. I did 300 pounds on this. Can't do it now though, but I can do the 250.
Are you feeling new pain in your forearms?
It's pumped. Yeah, it's been like two grip training in a week, and this is the third one. So yeah, I feel pumped, but I'm also enjoying it. I'm very happy.
On the Saxon bar, you really, it's such fingertip strength, but also forearm flexor strength. You ideally want to be able to flex it into you, just a little bit. Get most of the weight on your front four fingers, yeah. So Odd's main tactic for picking up the ladies is to show off his beautiful forearms. And it works, it works.
Just try to pick it up and my fingers cracked. You just said that. You said to warm up.
It's left hand, baby! You must be in a relationship, dude.
I know.
Let's do it.
Martinos look good easy.
I don't know about that. It is very strange to have it at this height.
That height is very the difference, you have to be intense from there's no place here.
Yeah. Okay, brother, come on. Oh, nice. Beautiful.
What's a good weight, Ode?
Well, the highest I ever done is 136, 300 pounds.
Owen was saying that most really strong people, the real strong people without training, can do really good at this. But of course, with practice, they'll do even better. This is the heaviest that Owen will have lifted since surgery. Come on, come on, Owen. Come on, Owen. Come on, Owen. Dig in, dig in. Dig in.
Nice!
Yes! Oh!
No lift.
What was it before again, Owen?
Yeah. My stand.
Yeah. The hernia.
Hernia, that's right.
1, 2, 3.
Holy shit.
Hernia, yeah.
Ooh.
Come on! Nice, that's easy. Really easy.
Easy weight.
Okay. Nice.
135.
Easy.
It was just a bit unbalanced.
All the balance, yeah.
But next time, I think I will be good for like under 40, baby, under 41.
I'm gonna go, yeah.
It was very imbalanced.
Let's go! Go! Squeeze! Come on! Up! No!
It's more than I can deadlift.
Yeah.
Let's go, Martins! Squeeze it! Squeeze!
Bastard. So right now we're at 140. The record, and it's from the floor, is 142. But clearly I think Biby has the hand strength. Just a little bit of practice and he could beat the world record in this. Lock it in.
Oh, just there.
Son of a bitch.
Yeah, it's happening it's like 3 times now. Just closer.
Son of a bitch.
I feel it on my fingers. Oh, I never trained my fingers. I'll cry. Come on! Come on!
Oh, no.
You're
This
on?
is what I pulled from the floor when I was strong. When I was strong. But then I got high.
Are you attempting this?
Come on!
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Go in that space.
Yeah. Yeah. It's not daylight. Better than me.
I think I will get it. I just need to get in that zone.
Right now we're at 140. This matches what I've done in the past, but not modern matches. Let's go. Yeah. Yes! Yes!
Yes! That was easy actually.
In just context, this bar is the size of your phone.
Biby, what else would you like to do? Do you want to do the axle, rolling thunder, or whatever you want, man?
Whatever you want to teach me, I will learn.
Yeah. What am I doing with this?
You put weight on it.
Okay.
If you do 100 kilo on this, this is very good. I don't think anybody's done 100.
No one's done 100?
Maybe 100, 102, maybe.
We're at 103 kilograms right now on the grip genie. I just tried calling John Caller, did you move so he didn't pick up? So I really want to find out what the heaviest weight on.
Let's go. Cheer him up.
Come on. Down. Nice.
Nice.
Yes.
Like my left arm is much stronger than the right. Yeah.
That's strange.
The trend is always
Even when I used to do like fighting boxing, like I knock out people easy with the left. And I'm right-handed, yeah. You want me to go up?
Yeah, let's get 108.
Okay.
108.
It's gonna be tough, but
We're up to 138 kilos now. Wait, 108 kilos.
that land.
Anime! Attack!
Oh,
Come on, baby.
good.
So
Story every time.
same story.
so close.
We're about to do a Thomas inch dumbbell walk. Lifting one of these is hard enough. Very few people could actually do that.
Look, Tank, he loves to put me in trouble.
This is all Alexei Tank's idea. He came in late. We were about to wrap up and go home. and this guy comes and says, no, do this.
My record 22 meters.
He's like, come, do this. Yeah, brother, let's go. Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah, I had it and it felt good, but my foot it cracked because I had plantar fascia, but I love it. I think I can do a round.
Only a few people in the world could do that.
Really? Yes, thank you so much.
There you go. Go,
Keep going.
Yeah. Bastard.
Just like your Denny Stones.
What?
Just like the Denny Stones.
Just like the Denny Stones. I'm not having a good run right now. That has difficulty. Come on, Dick.
Oh, look at that.
Oh.
Good, David. Keep going. Oh, good job. Wow. Yeah. So
He didn't even warm up.
He didn't warm up.
He just
No
showed up
warm
late.
up.
He just showed up late and did that.
He just walked in. I think it's 180 pounds, so 10 more than this, but it's thicker. 180 pounds.
I just want to go home.
Yeah, no chance, man. I'm not even gonna try.
Only a few people in the world have done this, guys. And there he is.
Easy. Yeah. That's a joke. This is the legendary Old Haugen 250-pound dumbbell.
Mike Burke got it off the floor. Nobody else has got even the air on it. It's like a 2.5-inch grip and it's 250 pounds.
Let's go! Come on. The unliftable. Try going all the way back.
No, there.
Get your pinky against
like this?
Yeah, try that.
Let me rest a bit.
Have it.
Have it.
I said the Czech can probably do this. I say he had some control over his grip. Both Martins and I had, the dumbbell was just dead on the floor.
More back. Yeah.
Son of a bitch. Big squeeze. So this was awesome. We had Iron Biby visiting us right after the Vegas Giants live show. And now he came to train with the best in the world with grip. But now he is the best.
No,
We got
he's the best. He's the best, yeah.
I mean, truly amazing. With
Thank you
no
so much.
training on these implements whatsoever.
Thank you so
You're
much.
hitting world class
Thank you.
numbers. And you'll be
I
hitting.
will definitely come back, and it's a big honor for me, especially training with World's Strongest Man and the best of the best when it comes to all the grip event. Thank you for having me, and it's a blessing. Thank you so much, and I'll be back.
Thank you for coming, my friend.
Yeah, and I'll see you in Africa.
We're going
in
to
my country.
Burkina Faso, man.
Yes.
That's 100% for our next, well, soon to be Strength Unknown episode.
Exactly.
So of course, guys, if you want to see Burkina Faso, his origins, and how he trains at his home, scan the QR code right here and support our trip to Burkina Faso by getting some Strength Unknown merch. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you
like
so
and
much.
subscribe. Let's keep it coming.